what is the cheapest way to advertise your daycare? That's what we're focusing on in today's episode, friends. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. It's going to be a good one. I'm going to give you some ideas on some free ways to advertise your daycare. And then I'm going to walk you through my favorite and cheapest way that you can really grow your online presence and get more local families asking you for more information in your inbox, okay? Before we dive in, you know that you and I can work together for free for 5 days. Now, you can check out the links in my show notes for more information. But basically what that is I am offering free 5-day trials inside the Childcare Business Hub, the monthly membership for home daycare providers, where we help you reach more of a local audience using the online space. And you can actually try it out for free for 5 days before committing to paying us. So this is an excellent way for you to join, try all the content, look at all the trainings, and ask all your questions and see if this is a good fit for your daycare. Click on the link in the show notes to get some more information and to claim your free trial. Now, what are a few free ways? Let's start with the free ways. Because I know that if you're listening here, you're probably running a small center or a small daycare. You probably don't have a huge marketing budget, and free is what you are all about at this point in your business, and which is fine because we've all been there. Now, when we're thinking about free ways to advertise anything, any type of business, especially like a brick and mortar, you have to understand that because it's free, it will require a little bit more of time, okay? And it's going to take a little bit longer as well. What that means is that you have to put some things in place so that your local families can find you and can start, following you or learning a little bit more about your program or your daycare, okay? So free is not faster, it's just free, okay? So a few free ways you can start advertising your daycare is obviously word of mouth advertisement, which is, I think, by far the most powerful. So that's when a family that's been through your program refers you clients. You can begin free marketing using SEO, which is search engine optimization, which is just a fancy way of saying when someone in your community, so a mom or a dad, is on Google and they're searching for daycare, you have to make sure that your website has all the right keywords on it to pop up as one of the first pages or links when someone searches, okay? So again, another free way to advertise your daycare, making sure you have all the right keywords on your website. Another free way is by actually visiting local businesses and creating partnerships or referral programs with them. So you support them and you refer them clients and they do the same for you. Again, $0 to advertise your daycare. Obviously, you wouldn't be any type of business in today's economy if you didn't have some type of online presence. So obviously making sure that your business has claimed its Google profile, that you're on Yelp, and obviously social media, so Facebook and Instagram. Again, free ways to advertise your daycare. But let's say you want cost-effective or cheap ways to advertise your daycare. What should you be doing? My favorite is leveraging $3 a day behind a paid ad campaign using Facebook and Instagram, and leveraging the power of video marketing. So videos convert so much better than a static image. They reach more families. And the best part is that for just $3 a day, you can actually start leveraging the power of paid traffic. So you won't need to be posting, all the time, right? You can actually just post once or twice throughout the week and then just allow Facebook to show your content to people. And they show this content to people that you decide. So for example, you can record a couple of short videos sharing about your program or a promotion or inviting everybody to an open house you're having. And then you can ask Facebook to show this piece of content, so this video, for example, to your local audience. So you would target the people living in your community, and you'll say something like, Facebook, target these people, and I have $3 a day to spend on Facebook ads. And then once your ad is approved, your ad will automatically be shown to those people, okay? So what that means is that within a few minutes of your ad being active, people that are scrolling through the feed in your community are going to start seeing your ad. And that is really powerful because, number one, it works really like much faster than free ways, obviously. Number two, you don't have to be, again, posting on social media or feeling that stress of, oh my gosh, do I need to show up today or not? And number three, you're going to get results I promise you, within a few days, people are going to start reaching out and clicking on your link and sending you DMs within the first few days. And I know this for a fact because we had a client that was leveraging $3 a day video ads, and she was getting like 10 to 15 conversations started every single month. Okay. So the power of video ads are great. They work faster. They're very simple to set up. All you need is $3 a day and a few videos and you're good to go. And they're super cost effective as well. I mean, $3 a day, most of us spend that on like a Starbucks coffee or something. So definitely doable if you're really serious about reaching as many people as possible in less amount of time. That is the most cost effective way to do that, and to really grow your enrollment. So I hope that this episode blesses you. Again, if you're in need of marketing help and you're not quite sure how to do all the things, or you just need someone to help you with social media, I too offer a very cost-effective way you and I can work together. For just $1 a day, you can join the Childcare Business Hub. You can try it out for free for the first 5 days, and you'll see how simple your marketing can feel for you as you're running your home daycare. Have an amazing rest of your day, friend. I hope that this episode blesses you and your business. And as always, I'll see you in just a few days. Bye for now.